Hey guys, Jeremy here. We've had some people ask us what it is we're doing in Code Crew to get a little better feel for like what the kids are learning and what we're showing and figuring out how to do together. So I figured I'd give you a little demonstration that we did with the kids during the first week, about a week ago, down at Redeemer. So in the class, we're learning to write in a computer programming language called Python. And so here on my screen, you see just a little text editor program that shows a really small, simple amount of code that's just 43 lines long. And that includes some white space and a whole bunch of comments, which are just like instructions about what the program is going to do. So these don't actually run anything, they're just there for kind of little helpful reminder purposes. So we make different function calls, what are called functions or methods, and we pass these parameters into them to do different things in the program. Okay, so there's that little bit there. And what we can do after we've written a program, trial and error, and tested it, is we can open up what's called a little terminal shell on the computer, and we can call that program. So I type in Python and then the name of my program. It's called myhue.py for Python extension. And then when I hit enter, I want you to see what happens. Kind of fun, huh? So the program just controlled these wirelessly controllable lights that I have in the house called Philips Hue LED bulbs. So they connect to my network, and then my program, which was the code we'd seen before, calls those lights and tells them to fire up. All right. So the program's not done yet, though. It tells us to enter. Here on the screen, it says in this program, you'll type in colors to control the lights. So it's going to give us a menu here of available colors we can pick from, whichever ones you'd like to use. Or we can turn them off as well. All right, so I'm going to go primary colors here. Let's do red for bulb 1. Let's do blue for bulb 2. And finally yellow. All right, so we're going to type those in to the program we built. And let's see what happens. So it washes the room in a rainbow of colors. So the idea really behind the class is to teach all of us how we were able to use technology to control objects in the real world around us just by figuring out how to wrangle and learn some different lines of code. Hope you like it.